What is hacking? Commonly used hacking definition is the act of compromising digital devices and networks through unauthorized access to an account or computer system. Hacking is not always a malicious act, but it is most commonly associated with illegal activity and data theft by cyber criminals. Where did hacking come from? When hacking first started, it was not thought of as that serious. The hackers were not even known as hackers, but as practical jokers. The very first hack came in 1878 when the phone company, Bell Telephone, was started. A group of teenage boys, hired to run the switchboards, would disconnect or misdirect calls. Who was the first hacker? Kevin David Mitnick, born August 6, 1963, is an American computer security consultant, author, and convicted hacker. He is best known for his high-profile 1995 arrest and 5 years in prison for various computer and communications-related crimes. Types of hackers. Number 1. Black hat hackers. Number 2. Gray hat hackers. Number 3. White hat hackers. First, we see about black hat hackers. A black hat hacker is typically one that engages in cybercrime operations and uses hacking for financial gain, cyber espionage purposes, or other malicious motives, like implanting malware into computer systems. Number 2. Gray hat hackers. Gray hat hackers enact a blend of both black hat and white hat activities. Gray hat hackers often look for vulnerabilities in a system without the owner's permission or knowledge. Number 3. White hat hackers. White hat hacker or ethical hacker is an individual who uses hacking skills to identify security vulnerabilities in hardware, software, or networks. What kind of hacking is illegal? Unauthorized use of a computer or computer system. Unauthorized computer access / computer trespass. Computer tampering of different degrees. Unlawful duplication of computer-related material. Biggest hack in history. The biggest hack in history is thought to be the data breach against Yahoo. The 2013 attack compromised around 3 billion people, and the company revealed that every Yahoo customer was affected by it. Watch full video and subscribe. Youngest hacker in the world. Christopher von Hasselborn, 2008, is an American boy known for being the world's youngest known hacker and notable for being the youngest security researcher listed on Microsoft's Security Tech Center as having exposed a security vulnerability. If you want ethical hacking and bug bounty courses for free, just like, share and subscribe to Hacker Kid YouTube channel. And follow on Insta for more updates. Insta link on description. Thank you.